Hi. Today, after a long time, I have a challenge lock for you guys. And this is funny. This is American lock challenge lock. This is a blue one, series 1100. This one was sent to me by Albert Lobel probably 3-4 years ago. I need to check the video. It was a bit mummified key. I have not opened it for 3 years. And it has this thing, little boy blue, and Priyer 6, 12, 17 Priyer, and on this side it has LUL6, LUL6. I don't know. I need to check out. I don't know if someone else pick it up. I'll check after I pick this. I don't want to check anything. So I'm hoping 6 pins, something done. Usually American locks, they have interesting pins inside, so hopefully I will pick it and see what is inside. But give me a chance to rearrange things. I need, because the challenge lock, I definitely need to put it in the vise. Stay tuned. So the lock is in the vise, the padlock is in the vise. There is the key, there is the tag, everything is there. You cannot test the lock, of course, a challenge lock. And I did prepare my favorite deforest diamond, deep hook, and 2 tangentials, top and bottom of the keyway, from my perspective. So I'll start. I think I can start with this one. Usually I start like this, but I don't know if I have space to pick all the pins, so maybe I will move to this tangential. For me, bottom of the keyway, and I will start with the force down, very like non-tension. That's how I do it with American locks, but let's see if that's going to help me or not. In this case, let me focus on the lock there, and let's start. I did not check how many pins do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a 6, all 6 chambers. Nice. So very little tension, like no tension. So let's start. 1, 2, small click, full set. That's what I was expecting with 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5. Ooh, 5 feels like set, and it's very long pin. So I don't know if we can move. Okay, I can move to 6. 6. Nothing. I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, this is going to be fun. So 1 counter rotation, click, I drop something. 2, 3, a couple of clicks. No, that was 2. No, 3. So, but that deep click from 2, 3, it's back. Something is not right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost my default, so that's why I'm saying something was not right. 1, 2, 3, 3, it's not, yeah. 4, that's that. 5 and 6. Glad that I can. Okay, so I think 6 is set. I don't know about 5, it feels very long. 1, 1 feels set. 2. In these American locks, I need to be careful because sometimes the lock. Oh, okay, I'm back in that faucet. I was saying that sometimes it feels like no pin is moving, but that spring tension for the shackle, it's for the lock and the shackle, it's very heavy. Okay, that's a 5 and 6. 6 counter rotation. Yeah, we are open. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. I think I got lucky. But wait, what? Is it not opening? Okay, this is interesting. Let me move. So no. Wait, what? I don't want to lose. No. I don't know what happened. Okay. Let's do it again. Ooh, this was not good. 1, 2, 3, nothing. Click from 1 again. 2. Overset 2, I think. 3, 4. Wow, not. Wow! What? 1. What? That's 5. 6, sorry, 5 still. So I'm glad that I did not touch pin 5. I think pin 5 it's a drop. But do I remove the key or do I try to pick it again? Because it felt like open and that's how it should be. But there is that big full set. Click from 1 again. Click more from 1. I lost my full set. The deep one, let me see. 5, 6. I'm still confused. I don't know if that was open. Okay, no, okay. No, it's open. No, that was 3 or 4 again. So first full set, then I went to 6. No, it's not open. So, okay. This is 5. Let me move to 6. 6. I don't feel counter rotation from 6. So let's see. 1, 2, nothing. 3 fill set. 4, 4 fill set. 5 fill set. Then it was 6. Oh, what happened? No. Oh, wow. I don't understand. Nothing, 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 nothing on 4, nothing on 5, and 6 is set. And no, what? Wait, what? Okay, let's do it again. Let's be more. 2. Let's pay more attention. 3. Okay, we're in that deep full set. Trying to see 5. Some small click on 6. 2, 3. So let's see. A weird click from 1. We lost that full set. Couple of clicks on 3. 4. Okay. 4. 1, 2. That was 4. Previously it was 3. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now 6. Yeah, counter rotation from 6. No, yeah, we're open again. Nothing. Okay, what do I do now? Let's try like this. Guys, I don't know what is happening. Is that a feature? Or it's if there are two shear lines with no, I mean, I don't know. Let me try to remove. Which tangent tool do I want to remove? So I want to, sorry, I'm out of frame probably, but I don't want to lose again. Can I move this somewhere here somehow? I need the different tangent tool. Maybe this one. Wait, give me a second. I'm trying to go through my. No. So if it was the key will hit there. So right, let me remove like this. No. This is going even more than. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know what happened. So it's a very cool lock and very nicely done, very awesome pins. But let me first show you the core. So on the core you can see there is a counter milling on chamber number 6, nothing done on 5, counter milling on chamber number 4, and it's only on one side. So if I try to pick it on the other side, I will not encounter that. Serration on the 3rd, counter milling on 2, and serration on 1, sorry. So you see, and the counter milling is only on one side. So very nicely done on this small American lock core. On the body, nothing done on first two, but you can see 3, 4, 5, and 6, they are yeah, it was done on the top side, so I was trying to figure out. So here is the serrations. So yeah, very nicely done the core. Let me show you the pins. So the first, the second, the fourth, and the sixth one, they are standard serrated American lock pins, but number 3 and number 5, they are very nicely done, like spool torpedo like pins, key pins. And this one is very thin, like very easy to and this was the trap that I did not fall into. I have picked a lot of challenge locks, so when I saw that, I was 100% sure that I should not touch pin number 5. For the driver pins, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 5 are standard. 3, it's serrated, but a bit strange serration. Interesting. Nicely done. And now we have like very interestingly done, like I don't know, spool, but double-sided spool. Nicely done. Probably was done from one of these spool serrated pins, like that American lock, they have it. And this is from very similar like a rook, like a chess piece. Very nicely done, very amazing work. All the springs are the same. And the key, what I was trying to say, I was checking the key also. So you can see if I put it like this, the sixth one is this like a pointed light. So he used, whoever built this, he or she, they put like they use this 5-pin key to put like a pin on the, and that's how sometimes you can do it. And but it was a very nicely done, very nice work. I really like. It's very hard to do this kind of counter milling, like here, like I was trying to show you, this type of counter milling. It was on this tiny lock. It was very nicely done. So very nicely done. I don't know who did it, but from this little blue boy, Priyer, I don't know what was the date, 17 or 12th of what is that, June 2017, and on this side it's lul 6. Albert Labelle, thank you very much for sending it to me 3, 4, 5 years ago. I don't remember. Guys, this was a very fun challenge lock. I did not show you but nothing is done here. I don't know why I did not want it to open on the first try, and I was having trouble on the second time, but I'm glad that I have picked this one. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.